Guys, now everyone is waiting. They have one load there. They call it fire up. They have to bring it, keep it inside there. So fun, so fantastic, guys. And this is not only about fun, but this is the culture, this is tradition, guys. This is Biska Jatra, the beginning of the new year. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back again. And today we are in Bhaktapur, Nepal, guys, Kathmandu. And yeah, today there is gonna be a very unique, special and big festival here for the Nepali people, guys. So they said the festival name is
Biskā Jātrā.
Biskā
Jātrā.
Biskā Jatra. Okay, today the Nepali people are celebrating Biskā Jatra, guys. It's gonna be my first time as African to witness this. And what's the name of this? You said the one Pailaka. Yeah. You see this huge thing here, they call it Pailaka, guys. They are now preparing it. They will be pulling it around, right? Yeah. Can everyone pull this also? Yeah. So today I'm going to join and pull with them Pailaka, guys. So far they are just arranging everything. And brother, like which goat is there? That one, which goat up there, the one they are tying up?
That is not goat, it's just a petal.
Is?
It's just a petal.
But they say there is one load. There is one load. They say, there is one load of that temple, that big temple.
Place inside.
That load. Which load they will place inside later? Fire up. Okay. So they have one special load. It's my first time to hear of the name. They call it fire up, right? So load fire up will be placed inside there, and all the people will be pulling this pailaka, right?
Yes.
Pailaka. Yeah, thank you guys for help me to know about today's festival, guys. Biska Jatra, and there is the tallest temple that side, guys. I hope the rain will not spoil today festival, guys, because I can see so many people, everyone are here, guys. Hope this rain won't ruin everything. Yeah, let me just show you. You see, this is the rope they are preparing, guys, and people will be using this rope. This is very huge, guys. This is very huge. I don't know how they are going to pull it, but just see the wheel, guys. This is very big. I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
Africa!
Yeah, so today we are celebrating what?
Biskā Jātrā.
Biska Jatra. Brother, what's going on? Can you tell me a little bit about this?
It's like
Is it like puja?
Yeah.
Puja.
Music for God.
Music for God.
Before starting the
Okay,
Jatra.
they are praying for God before
Yeah,
starting the
yeah,
Jatra. Okay, nice. Thank you. It's like praying, worshipping,
Yeah.
or
It's like music.
to please the God,
Yeah,
singing for God.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. guys, now everyone is waiting. They have one load there. They call it Bairab. They have to bring it, keep it inside there. Yeah. So now they are carrying their load. Yes. This is crazy, guys. goal. Guys, now they are pulling both sides. I want to go inside.
Okay, just right.
Wait, brother. Wait, I'll go inside. Let's go! Wait, brother. Guys, this is crazy. Let me show you the other side. But we almost won. This side almost won. This side they lost, I think. Oh, this side. Here, Wow, now they pull it back, guys. Huh?
I like it. Yes.
Guys, this side, those people almost won. But suddenly this thing is starting going back. So competitive. Yo, let's go again. Let's go. Oh, now they are pulling it back. Let's go! Those people sitting up there, right? They're the one enjoying. Just imagine you have to be pulling them and they're sitting up there. Brother, if it comes this side, it means suppose this side win, what will happen?
Okay.
Huh? Suppose they pull it this side.
Yeah.
What will happen? Okay. It's like two teams. Wait. Listen.
I am from Dota 3.
Suppose this side win, huh? What will happen? If this side wins.
Dota 3.
We just play for
For fun.
Just for fun.
Okay. It's like for fun, guys. Both sides has to be pulling. Yo, what's up? But now, you know, guys, those people, this side, they almost won. But suddenly, it went back. The other side started winning. Oh my God. This is so fun. This is so crazy, guys. You need a lot of energy. And this side, I feel like the people in this side, they have a lot. Like the people pulling from this side, they are a lot. But the only problem from this side going up is kind of a slope. It's like kind of a slope. Now again they are coming. Let me take you again, guys. For me, I'm so scared. I'm thinking, what if this thing will break? Like, what if it will break with the people? Oh my God. Excuse me. Oh, hi. Will this thing not break?
No. Never break.
Last year they were using same one only, right?
Yes.
Okay.
How far?
Madam,
Let's pull it.
yeah, I have been pulling from that side. Now I came.
Front side. We are from this side.
Which side you are supporting? This side, huh?
Yeah.
What side? Okay. I'll support this side also. That side is winning now. Oh my God, see those guys down there. This will break, man. Yo, man, so fast. How many rope here, guys? 2, 5 rope each side, 5 rope. 5 rope each side, guys. Oh, let's go! This is so fun, so fantastic, guys. And this is not only about fun, but this is the culture. This is tradition, guys. This is Biskā Jatra, the beginning of the New Year.
Let's go. This is Bhaktapur.
Those are the losers, guys.
We win.
They are losers.
We will win.
They belong to this side. Now they took it that side.
Don't worry, we will win, man.
This is crazy. This is crazy and amazing, guys. This is amazing. I really enjoyed that. So fun.